What's up guys, we're going to try and get a meal prep in with the things we could find when we were out shopping in that chaos that's going on at the moment in the world. Super simple recipes, so let's get started. On this surface is we're going to prepare our chicken, and we were lucky enough to pick up this huge pack of chicken breast, 1.8 kilograms. So we're going to dice all of that up now, and as we dice this up we're going to be popping it in here, which is our slow cooker. We're getting chunks about this big, about 1 inch cubes, throwing them in there. So that's all that chopped up. That's in the slow cooker. It's on a high heat, and we're going to leave that, let that cook through, and once that's cooked through we'll come back and we'll carry on. Something you can do while you're waiting for the chicken to cook. Okay, so that's our chicken cooked all the way through. It's been about an hour, 10 minutes. First of all, we're going to get some rice ready. We've got this Blue Dragon egg fried rice. We've had this before, and it's just 2 minutes in the microwave per bag. One bag will do 2 portions. We're going to do our chicken in batches for different flavours. Take some of this chicken out here. And this first batch, garlic. And some normal sea salt. That's our first set of rice ready. Take another pan here. Pop that on a high heat. We're going to add spring greens to that. Throw a whole bag in there. We'll bring that to the boil and then drain it out. Chicken's got a nice finish to it now, as you can see there. And what we're going to do with these spring greens here is the rice portions we took. We're going to tip them in. Like that. Spill the rice all over the cooker. Take some of our spring greens and rice, make a small layer across the bottom. Probably spilling these small tubs about halfway. Finishing it off with half the chicken. Now if you're super strict, you can weigh all this out, portion all this out. Strict at the moment, so we should go in by eye. Okay. There's our spring greens. One is our garlic and salted chicken with spring greens and rice. The next one we're going to do, same again, we're going to give this a blast with our oil. Put our chicken in. This time we're going to go with some American, I don't know if you can see that because of the lights, but it's American barbecue seasoning. I'm not sure what's American about it, to be fair, but nice generous portion of that over the top there. While it's doing that, we can portion up our rice and greens, same as before. And there we have our American seasoned fajita style chicken with rice and collard greens. Last but not least, we're going to use our chili oil this time. Plenty of that. Portion our chicken in again. And as this is cooking through, we are going to add some more of the chili oil on top of the meat to soak in. And one of our favourites, which is this chili and garlic salt. While that's browning up, we can add rice, spring greens, chicken in here. Here we have our last chili chicken, spring greens and rice dish. So there we have it guys, there's our 3 meals. We've got our garlic chicken, our fajita chicken and our chili chicken, okay? And we've got 3 meals, 2 sets of each meal. So that'll keep us going for a week, or if we're sharing it, that's just 3 days, but it's nice, super simple, super easy. Thanks for tuning in, watching the video. Stay safe, stay clean, and we'll see you all again soon. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you all again soon. Bye.